vendors. JVZoo. It's free to become an affiliate at JVZoo. You'll get instant access to all the affiliate tools and training. The JVZoo Affiliate Marketplace contains products from a wide assortment of categories. You get up to the minute conversion and EPC details for products you know what to expect from a promotion. Get paid instantly by the vendor. This eliminates chargebacks or PayPal disputes. If you start promoting a product, you'll be cookied to the whole sales funnel. See precisely how your campaigns are doing in real time. There as well is a bonus delivery system and the ability to use two-tier affiliate layout. Vendors deal directly with buyers, so there's no need to ever supply customer support for individuals that buy from your affiliate links. DG results. Would you like to get paid immediately in your PayPal account on every sale, without the headaches or instant commission scripts? DigiResults is the answer. Immediate payment for promoting high-converting products. You simply promote, no customer support responsibility as an affiliate. It's free to get started, up to 100% commissions on premium products. Next, we will look at how to open an account with JVZoo. In our last video, we looked at a few instant commission platforms. In this video, we will look at how to open an account with JVZoo. There are no out-of-pocket costs to become a JVZoo seller or affiliate. You are able to create as many buy buttons as you wish, add as many projects as you would like to the marketplace, and promote as many products as you are able to get approved for. First, go to http://www.jvzoo.com. Click on Become an Affiliate. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the Sign Up Now button. Fill in all your info and make sure to accept all the terms. Hit register and you are on your way to being able to promote offers. Note, you will also need to have a PayPal account in order to get your instant payments. Next, we will look at how to open an account in DigiResults. In our last video, we looked at how to open an account with DigiResults. In this video, we will look at how to open an account with Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a nifty affiliate marketing help website that gives you a safe and trusted marketplace for Warrior Forum and the Warrior Special Offer section. First of all, you will have to have a PayPal account. Next, because this is a helper site, you will need to open an account with Warrior Forum. If you already have an account there, you can skip this step. Go to http://www.warriorforum.com. Click on Click here to register. Make sure to read the rules on the page that comes up, and after that, click the box that says you agree and hit the register button. On the next screen, fill in all your information and fill in referrer information if it is applicable, and hit the complete registration button. Next, you will be filling out your account information. Make sure to take note of the fact that your username must be the same as the one you signed up with on the Warrior Forum. If you use another name, it will not work. Once again, you will be sent a confirmation email, so make sure to confirm your account. You are now on your way to promoting products from Warrior Plus. Next, we will look at how to choose profitable affiliate programs.